Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Alien Spaceship Creator by 12345678890. Looking at their code, we can see forever blocks, switch blocks, and send message to with blocks. Construct your very own spaceship to sail through the cosmos. Next up we have Maple Oak Farm by Ctynker. Ctynker's code has a lot of play note blocks for the music, some repeat blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Build your own farm from scratch. Next up we have Level 2 by Poised. In their code, we see when I receive blocks, forever blocks, and animate blocks too. Although it may seem a bit laggy at first, defeat your enemies and gather stars and hearts to survive. Last but not least, we have My Beach Trips by Ruby Bridges. In this text coding project, Ruby explains their time at the beach and what you can do to prepare yourself for a nice relaxing day. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!